seeing no post available on Facebook? Don't worry, this is a common issue and I'll show you exactly how to fix it in just few taps. Is this happening with your own post or when you are trying to view someone else's content? Let me know in the comments. First, try the simplest fix. Refresh the page or restart the Facebook app. Often, it's just a temporary glitch. If that does not work, check your internet connection, switch to Wi-Fi or mobile data to see if that helps. If it's someone else's post, they may have deleted it or changed their privacy settings. Try asking them directly. For business pages, make sure you are logged in as an admin. Sometimes posts are hidden due to role permissions. If none of these work, report the issue to Facebook's Help Center. And that's it. If this helped you fix the no post available error, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.